Okay, let's continue with the description. Next is social choice function. Okay, you'll see why it plays an important role. We're going to denote social choice function by F. It has two components, decision rule and transfer function. All right, so this is transfer function and this is decision rule. Decision rule. So once again, F can take many forms depending on the application. So if this is a voting, well, there's no transfer, remember, because it's no transferable utility environment. So the decision rule, voting rule, and the social choice function are the same thing. However, if it is a matching problem, once again, there's no transfer function. The matching rule and the social choice function are the same thing. But if it is an auction, the decision rule, like who wins, who loses, and then the transfer function, who pays how much. So the social choice function is therefore has always two components. In some applications, transfer function is not going to be a valid argument because there's no transfer of utilities. But in some other environments like auction, transfer function is needed. So again, in general, two parts are very critical, decision rule and then the transfer function. Well, for any type profile theta, f of theta is going to tell us the decision, the social decision, d theta, and then the transfer, so who's going to be paying or paid and how much. All right? So the utility individual I receives if theta hat is the announced vector of types and the individual i's true type is theta I, is represented by this formula. Okay, so be careful about it. Remember, individual I has a utility function v of I, except the transfer. Some environments we don't have transfer, so we ignore this part. Or just think of Ti is zero, like the voting, like matching, etc. But in the auction environment, this was the valuation, and this is the transfer, how much money you pay. So therefore, in general setup, the utility of individual I, given the declared types, all right? So theta hat is declared types. Theta I is the true type of individual I. D is the decision rule. T is the transfer rule, or this is the F, the social choice function. Well, it is the VI, D theta hat theta I, right? What is the decision, given that my true type, and this is my utility, plus how much transfer I'm going to receive or I will be paying, so depending on Ti positive or negative. But it depends on the declared preferences or types, I'm sorry. So here is two things that is very, very critical that you understand. One, the social choice function or the decision rule and transfer function depends on declared types. However, utility depends on the true type. Okay? So, well, if you remember, this is a quasi-linear utility function. It's quasi-linear because the payments, the transfers, are added to the utility function linearly. Okay. Well, the transfer function t is feasible if all the transfers to all the players, when we sum them up, it's going to be less than or equal to 0. So what does that mean? That means if this is strictly negative, it means those individuals are going to be making a payment, all right, to somebody, some authority. For example, in the auction theory, this is always going to be strictly less than or equal to 0. But the thing is, it shouldn't be positive. So it's not feasible in this sense. What does that mean? Like this transfer sum is positive. It means we add money to the institution, but we don't want to add money to the institution. The institution should basically, make some transfer within itself, and no extra money is needed. This is what we need, what we want, and so we call the transfer function being feasible if no extra money is required, regardless of the type space. Regardless of the type, announced types theta. Well, T is balanced, all right, if the summation of the transfers is equal to 0, which means if somebody receives money, it means somebody is paying that money. All right, so the sum of the transfers, if it is exactly equal to 0, we say it is balanced, the transfer function is balanced. Otherwise, if it is less than or less than or equal to 0, we just say it is feasible. Again, these should be true for any theta. This is the definition. All right, so T is balanced if the summation is 0 for every theta, the type profile that you can think of.